Up in the wild blue yonder. Whoa, too short. Pull me up. Get up in that lift.
This is John's second flight, or third. This one looks better. Fourth flight? Okay, well this looks better, John.
You can make this for landing and taking off.
This one looks better.
Lift, John, you get lucky on this.
Oh, lucky, huh?
Yeah, you're lucky. Like you were lucky in all yours, Chris?
That's pure skill. No, I wish you would, because I want to get rid of that trophy.
I think if it's thermal strong enough to get the cars off the ground. It
seems to be hard banking right in, John. I'm kicking to the right.
Oh, it's coming down. Oh, now it's stabilized a bit.
What if you can make that runway for landing and taking off?
You've got an awful big hunk of rudder in there.
60 seconds.
I'd like to see you get that rudder out of there.
What?
And if you have to go chip weight. Look at it.
Oh, no, it's landing on the